Your AutoCAD house plan looks empty. Let's add some furniture and making it look real. In this video, I will show you how to add and place furniture in AutoCAD. Perfect for beginners. Let's start.
So this is our drawing that we are going to add furniture on. As you see, they're empty. So now we're just going to type on the keyboard design center, DES. You will see design center. You click on it, you enter here, you enter. So when you enter on design center, you will see ENUS, English US. You open this folder and there is design center folder. Inside this one we have all the furnitures and tools that we need to add. We have kitchen, hydraulic, HIVC, house space, analog furnitures, US, and everything. So let's go to the home space planner or house space designer and kitchen. This is the most important that we need to add here. Let's open the mod. On this side you have blocks. You go on blocks, you open blocks, and then you will see bed, chair, computer, copy machine, and everything. So you will select what you want to add to your drawing, whether you need sofa, whether you need chair, whether you need computer, whether you need bed, and everything. Now we are going to pick a bed and drag it here, and then we drag here, and we are going to take something else that we need. We have dining set, dining table, so we are going to pick this and drag it also here. The next, what we need things for salon, the sitting room, so we are going to take this sofa of 3 place, we drag it, and this round back double sofa also, this one, this sofa, we drag it also here. You drag everything you want before you place them. So the next, we need a table, rectangular table in the sitting room. And after that, what do we need else here? Here I think it's okay. Now it is enough. Then let's go back. We go back again, and then in house designer we will find other furnitures. We click on it, we open blocks, and then we have all these furnitures, doors, bath tubes, everything and everything. We see toilet, this toilet top. Let's pick now. We take this toilet top because our drawing is 2D. We take this and we take other material like sink oval. Let's pick sink oval, this one. We bring it here, but you can add everything you want. Let's go back. We have in kitchen drawings. We open this folder, we open the blocks, and then we have everything about kitchen. You have light switch, oven, and everything, fridge, and everything we want. So let's pick those important things we need. We need this double sink. You pick it here, and then now we move to the next thing we need. Next furniture is refrigerator. Let's pick this refrigerator. I think it's okay, but you can take everything you want here. And then now let's place our furniture. I'm gonna place in a bedroom, the bed in a bedrooms, in a bedroom, the bed in a bedroom. I'm gonna rotate this bed. I'm going to rotate this bed, rotate like this, and I'm going to move it from here to the bedroom. Let's move. Let me zoom somehow to see the place here. Yes, I place here. This is my bed inside the bedroom now, and I'm going to move the sofas, this sofa first, to the sitting room. I place it. Let's put it here. Let's put it here. I'm going to rotate it. Let's rotate like this, and please move it somehow here. Yes, yes. Now, as I said this here, now I'm going to copy this one, duplicate to multiply it. So there are two now. Let's move. Let me move the one. I'm going to move it from here to the sitting room here. Yes, I'm gonna move it here, and also this one I'm going to rotate in this direction. I'm going to move now. Move it from here to the sitting room here, and then this one, as it is behind, just let me move it. Let's rotate first, and I'm going to place it here. Let me move it. This place is not comfortable. Let me move it here.
Stop. Don't overcrowd your drawing. Leave space for movement. Let's go.
Yes. Now we have our sofas inside the sitting rooms. Now let's move the table. Let me first rotate this table. Rotate like this. It's rectangular table, and I'm gonna move it now from here into the middle of the bed, of the middle of the sofas, between sofas. I'm gonna put it between sofas now. Let's scale. I'm scaling now. It is good. So after placed everything inside the sitting room, let's go to the bathroom, kitchen, and dining room. In dining room we have the dining table, this one. Let me move it. I'm gonna move it into the dining room, so here, and then the next thing is the bathroom. I'm gonna move this toilet. We see here, let's see here, this place. No, let me move it somehow. Is it good, this place? So I'm gonna place this thing. Let's move this toilet from here, and then now I'm gonna place this thing. Let's rotate. I'm going to rotate this thing. Rotate comfortably. Rotate, and then now I'm going to move it from here into the bathroom. Let's say here. Here is okay. The next thing is the kitchen. Inside the kitchen. Now let's place our furnitures. Like this double thing. Let me rotate this one. I need to rotate this double thing, and this oven, I'm going to place them inside the kitchen. So let's rotate both of them, and then I'm going to move this double thing to that place here. If we are doing dishes, we can come just here and do our dish. So the next is oven. That oven, I want to place it, let me say, near the window. I'm going to place it near the window. So let me rotate first in this direction, and then I'm going to move it from here into the kitchen, this place. After the oven, we need to place the fridge, our refrigerator. So let's select our refrigerator, and then let's rotate, because in this place we want to put, we need to rotate, and then we select, and let's move it. Now we move it to this angle, this place. Now everything is done.
Furnitures makes your drawing look complete and professional. Follow for more AutoCAD tutorials and civil engineering tips. Let's build your skills step by step. Thank you.